I'm sure you must have heard about YouTube fan fests, comic cons, literature fests, and even IEEE conferences. But what if I tell you that there is a gathering held every year for one of the most ignored topics, birds? Back in 1981, few people came together with birds as a common interest, thus starting a movement that was going to run for over 3 decades. We are talking about Maharashtra Pakshamitra, a non-profit organization that started with the initiative of Sri Prakash Gole. This organization conducts the Maharashtra Pakshamitra Sammelan, a friendly conference with a very serious impact. In those days, the bird watchers or Pakshimitra were scattered all around Maharashtra, and this was a platform for them to meet annually and to discuss their critical observations about the birds, their behavior, and their habitat. Let us understand the thought process of starting such an initiative.
In the year 1981, Mr. Prakash Gole, Ecological Society Pune, invited his friends to Lonavala for bird watching. In that days, there were very few bird watchers in Maharashtra. There were no availability of books on the birds. Also, the camera and binocular costing was so high. That's why bird watching was not so popular. That year, the bird watchers were gathered at Lonavala. Next year, again they gather in Nagpur. In Nagpur, they announced the Maharashtra Pakshimitra Sammelan and decided to gather each year in various parts of Maharashtra. Idea behind it was to exchange the observations of birds, views, also the discussion of the birds, and all together they can go for the bird watching.
You would have heard that cricket is a gentleman's game. Similarly, bird watching was also elite's hobby because of the costly cameras and binoculars required. Maharashtra Pakshimitra Sammelan reached the locals and made bird watching a community hobby. But how exactly did they reach the locals? The Sammelan takes place every year in a different city of Maharashtra, and the committee that handles this Sammelan is a local organization of the city. And this is how the local organizations contribute to the cause and spread message of bird watching and its importance in their area. Over the years, the following generations have carried the legacy forward. Let us find out how Maharashtra Pakshimitra has changed over the time.
Dear friends, our prestigious Maharashtra Pakshimitra Sammelan has flown in its 34th year, scheduled at Solapur in coming January 2021. This premier event for all bird lovers will see us together once again from every nook and corner of Maharashtra. This moment was initiated then by Mr. Prakash Gole sir in 1981 simply to initiate grassroots participation of every bird lover. This moment today has touched and snowballed into the nationalized congregation for all bird lovers and empathizer. With advancement in technological social media skills and information sharing methods, a first timer can interact with the expert without any hesitation or prejudice or difficulties. But friends, 30 or 40 years ago, the scenario was completely different. Maharashtra Pakshimitra Sammelan being the only platform to interact, share, discuss everything about the birds. This, for me, has given rise to gradual awareness for the topic and also sustained participation for the event. Apart, the regional conference structure, that is Konkan Sammelan, Marathwada Sammelan, Vidarbha Sammelan, that we see today has been the major catalyst in bringing various strata of the society together, that is women, children, especially from the villages, to contribute and learn towards the cause. Friends, lastly, all amateurs from the field of academics associated with Maharashtra Pakshimitra Sammelan are would be the expert researchers and scientists, and their painstaking efforts to achieve profound excellence has benefited ornithological sciences immensely. Maharashtra Pakshimitra Sammelan has an umbrella, and at present we the stakeholder should preserve it for our coming generation and for the bird lovers.
Natural habitats are our heritage and have to be conserved. This Sammelan passes on a few resolutions to support the conservation activity and promote scientific study. We spoke to the current president of Maharashtra Pakshimitra, and here's what he has to say.
Maharashtra Pakshimitra is a movement, means chalwal. It is not organization or NGO like other NGO. It was not even intended to be an organization in the beginning. But the organization was registered with the intention of having central committee at the Maharashtra level to keep movement going. But even today, the basic form of Maharashtra Pakshimitra is the movement. Pakshimitra Sammelan is the main platform of this movement. Our Maharashtra was and is the only state in the country to hold such Pakshimitra Sammelan. It is noteworthy that the Maharashtra Pakshimitra has organized 33 state level and more than 30 divisional level Pakshimitra Sammelan without taking any government grant. Maharashtra Pakshimitra movement started 40 years ago. 4 decades is such a long time for movement. Therefore, in order to keep this movement going, it was necessary to make some changes over time, for which efforts has been made for last 12 years. It is slowly beginning to make changes which expected a new generation of bird watchers by taking care of older generation of experienced bird watcher. Efforts are also being made to engage young bird watcher and researcher in the moment through Pakshimitra Sammelan and keep in touch with them. For this, contact data of the members is being updated and the contact is being increased through email and social media. Pakshimitra Award has also been started from last 2 years to encourage those who have done excellent work for bird conservation, research, awareness about bird conservation. The organization's newsletter Pakshimitra is being published regularly and care is being taken to reach out to all members. This issue also reaching out to many through website and social media. In addition to regular state level and divisional level Sammelans, efforts are also being made to inculcate 2 new concepts, the Student Pakshimitra Sammelan and Farmers Pakshimitra Sammelan. The organization organizes bird weeks, means Pakshi Saptaha every year since from last 4 years. Efforts are being made by organization to support campaigns against nylon manja and spread awareness and provide bird information, etc. There is no doubt that the work of bird conservation, study, research and public awareness will continue with the cooperation of all Pakshimitra from all over the Maharashtra state.
Maharashtra Pakshimitra, apart from state level, also organizes Sammelans at divisional levels. Youths have got an extremely important role to play in such initiatives.
I am Laukika Lakshmikant Neve and I was fascinated about birds as well as nature. My father is also into this and asked me once to attend Maharashtra Pakshimitra Sammelan, and eventually I denied it because I hardly knew anybody, but later ended up attending it at the age of 18. Sammelan do an incredible job of exchanging the knowledge among each other and also gives a chance to explore the cities where it has been hosted. Every presentation was enriched with the information which was unique in its own way. I appeal to the young birders of all over the Maharashtra to attend this annual meet, which helps to explore more about the world of birds. We believe technology can be used for the benefit of nature. For more such videos, subscribe. We are Engineers for Nature.